thing. It's just the head. All right, so Kelsey Token from Metal Rescue, a workshop here, she put this together for us, sent it out to us, looking for us to do a test out on their product. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what we got, see how it works. Well, as you can see, obviously this stuff works pretty good. This was literally just an out-of-box test. When Workshop Hero sent us this stuff, they weren't sending it to us to do a video. They were just sending it to us to say, here's our product, check it out. We just figured we'd check it out with you guys, see if it was actually any good. And it turns out it really is. So, according to their paperwork, you can get it at Home Depot, do it Best Hardware stores. If you want to support us, the channel, you can click on the link below the video and buy it through there. They also have a dry coat for putting on after you're done to help prevent rust, and you can wash that off too, it says, and paint right over top of it. But yeah, it's a pretty good product. So now all we got to do, take our hammerhead, now that we got the rust off of it, I'm going to do a little polishing up on it and we'll make a handle for it. All right, now if you were wondering, as far as the surface goes, why it's not super shiny even though we polished it all up, it's basically just because of the surface area. See all that rust caused that pitting in the metal? But you're also gonna have marks like that just from the fact that it's forged. If you actually want this thing to be shined up like a mirror, you're gonna have to go through by hand and grind and sand and smooth all of that surface down before you polish it, but I kinda like that rustic look myself. But for a handle here, we got a piece of ash. Ash and hickory make good handles. There's other woods out there, exotic woods that might make a good handle. You might think something like an oak would be good, but actually because of the grain structure, they'll break off. So good go-tos are ash and hickory.
You don't want to be exhausted. It's fun. Like it sucks.
So what we're going to do for the finish on this handle is we're going to actually burn it with a propane torch, and that's going to burn all the one part of the grain that you have during the winter months. And that's going to make that stand out. After we burn it, we're just going to polish it. That's all we're doing for a finish on this, just burning and polishing. And when we polish it, we'll leave the wheel dirty. That has our dirty compound that's got kind of impregnated with metal. And what'll happen is that'll actually also help darken up the wood, but it'll put a nice shine on it. With a finish like that, it's quick, easy, you don't have to wait for it to dry, and it's in the wood, so it's not going to wear off over time like a typical stain lacquer finish would.
And so there you have it. There's a finished hammer. Got a handle on it, kind of like a mix between a hatchet handle and a chasing hammer handle. Kind of a little like an old pistol grip too. Got a good feel to it though. So again, that Metal Rescue was definitely a very good product. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.